Welcome to the Easy Tech Fixit channel, and this is a quick update to tell you that there's a new version of the Google Chrome web browser. Here we focus on security. If you want to know what's new in there, just go and check out my Windows and computer channel. So go into your Google Chrome browser, go into the upper right corner in the three vertical dots, go into Help and into About Google Chrome. Here you should be at version 84. If it's not, it will actually update you to that version. What is important to know with this new version is that it has 38 security flaws that have been fixed from the previous version. So that is important. Of the 38 security flaws that were fixed, you have the one critical. Critical means that it's possibly already being, of course, exploited by bad guys. If not, it will now because they will know about it. So hackers might want to use this. It's a heap buffer overflow and background fetch. So this is a critical security flaw. Then there are several high security flaws, also site channel information leakage, type confusion in V8, inappropriate implementation of WebRTC, use after free in tab strip, all sorts of little things that happen like that. So that are of medium. Medium means that they are, important to fix, but more difficult to exploit. There's also low, medium and low problems that are available. So like I said, 38 security flaws. Remember, this is for Linux, Mac OS X, and Windows. It's important to update your browser, and it keeps you safe. Very important to stay safe with the browser you use, because it's one part of staying safe on the web. So even if new features are not important, the other thing also that's kind of nice is that it implements a few security features concerning the use of TLS 1.0, 1.1, and also a few security features with downloading files on HTTPS or secure websites, but that come from links that are not secure. It's actually going to tell you that that's dangerous to download. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.